Welcome to this class. We are looking at an aspect in mathematics, permutation and combination. But today we are looking at the conditional permutation. I've done others before. I've even given one example on this before. So let us look at this other example. We are told that how many numbers greater than 2000 can be formed using the digits 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many of these will be even if no repetition is allowed. Now, this question here is in two phases. This question here is A and B. If you look at it carefully, say how many numbers greater than 2000 can be formed using the digits. So that is one question already. That is one question. Now, the next question is how many of these will be even? Now, how do you approach this question is this. First, if you look at the digits that are given, there are 5 digits. And if you are to write these digits such that it will be greater than 2000, it means any of this number can start. You can start with 1. If you start with 1, it's going to give you 13,456. So if we are picking the 5 digits, it means any of the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means any of the digits can start. And if any of the digits can start, it means for you to know the numbers of ways to write this number, to form this number so that greater than 2000, only these five digits is going to be 5 factorial ways. So which means the first is 5 factorial ways. And what is the meaning of factorial? Factorial means you successive multiplication until you get to 1. That is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That is 5 factorial. So this will give us 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And 5 times 4 is a 20, 60 times 2 is a 120 times 1, 120. So this is 120 ways. That is, if we are using the 5 digits, because there are 5 digits, any of the digits can start. Any of the digits can start because there are 5 digits. And what we are talking about here is 2000. Now, and 2000 is 4 digits. Now, after you have solved the 5 digits, you will now explain what if it is 4 digits, because this is 4 digits. What if it is 4 digits we are picking from here? So in that case, for it to be 4 digits, now look at it. Let me use this 4 line to signify the 4 digits. Now, if it is 4 digits, it means that 1 cannot start. If we are picking any 4 digits here, 1 cannot start. So since 1 cannot start, it means any number that 3, 4, 5, 6 can be the only number that can start for it to be greater than 2000. Because 1, if you use 1, for example, now you take 1, 4, 5, 6, that will be 14,456, which is less than 2000. So 1 cannot start. But any of these numbers can start. So since any of these numbers can start and we need 4 digits, it means it is four ways that we can pick any number. Any of these also, the first number will be 4 ways. Now, after picking this first 4 number times, the next number that can hear, after picking 4, since you are not repeating any number, it means any of these numbers. Let's assume that we pick 3. So the number that will be left is 1, 4, 5, 6. 1 can come now. Any number can be here. Any number can be here. Any number can. But any number you have picked before, you will not pick another one. That is why I say no repetition. But if repetition, that one is different case entirely. Right? So now the first number, it's any of this number that can start. So 4 with 1, 2, 3, 4. Any of the 4. Any of these 4 will be here. So that is 4. Then times. Let's say we pick 3, or let's say we pick 3. So the number that will be left is still 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, because 1 now cannot come in. All right. So which means we will now have 4 ways of picking the second numbers. So after let's say we pick this one first, then we pick this one second. It means the next number that will be left is 1, 2, 3. So any of these 3 numbers now will be here times 3. Let's say I have picked 1. I pick 1, 3. The first one is 3. The second one is 5. And now this one is 1. So the next number is remaining is 4 or 6. So any of this, so we should not be what? Times 2. Since they are talking about 4 digits, so we end here. You will not pick the next one because it's only 4 digits. All right. So when you multiply this, will give you 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 3 is 48. 48 times 2 is 96. So now to know the numbers, so how many numbers that can be greater than 2000 can be formed using these digits, we are now going to add this number plus this number. That means 120 plus 96. And that will give us what? 6, 11 carry 1. That is 216. So it's going to be 216 ways. That is going to be how to get the first one. So, shortly, we will do the second part of the question.